The Nike Air More Uptempo Low Ambush Black takes the recognizable Nike Air More Uptempo silhouette and reimagines it as a skateboarding shoe. The Low Ambush Black edition is part of a collaboration between Nike and Ambush, a Tokyo-based streetwear label led by Yunnan. This low-top sneaker stands out due to the use of premium leather across the upper and the bold graffiti-style bubble letters on the side panel. Like other Air Max variations, these boys displays a visible Nike Air unit in the heel and midsole. The Nike Air More Uptempo Low Ambush Black was released on October 6, 2023, and retailed for $190. Today, their price on the secondary market climbed over $300. You like them? Let me know in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.